Hi there. You are now looking at NotebookLM. If we go inside of an existing notebook in NotebookLM, one that has already been created, and if you are using the free version, one of the things that you'll see is that you can share your notebook with other individuals. You'll need to specify their email in this area. You are now looking at a Pro account. And what you may see in a Pro account is you may see a message from NotebookLM that you can share your notebook publicly. As of the recording of this video, not all the Pro accounts actually show this feature. So this is being rolled out to some Pro accounts, but is not present in all Pro accounts yet. You are now looking at a Pro account. The public share feature allows you to click on the share button, and what you see is that you can set the nature of the link. We can restrict the access to individuals that can open the link, or we can open the link, or we can open up access to anyone with a link. So we can, in this case, share the notebook publicly on the internet with anyone that has the link that we create. We can then copy the link and then save it. So if we were to go to a browser that is open with an incognito link and we place in the URL, an individual will need to sign into their Google account. That individual will then have access to the notebook. What you'll notice is that they will not be able to add in additional notes or create a mind map. They will have access to any assets that are going to be available. They'll be able to load an audio if you have created one. So all of the assets that you'll be creating, the individuals with this notebook will have access to. We're going to go back to the notebook and we're going to create some assets. And you'll notice now that these assets are available to the creator and the creator has made them available. So the creator has made available an audio asset as well as written assets. If you go now to the individual that you have given access to, you'll see now that this individual has access to these assets in real time. They won't be able to add them, but they will be able to access them as you create them. They will also be able to have a chat with the assets that you have created.